Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is going to be another makeup tutorial. So today is all about the Indian bridal makeup. So I wanted to show you guys how I recreated this look by SMITHA Deepak. So for those of you who don't know yet her, I'm going to put her link in my description and you can check her channel. So if you are interested to this video, please keep on watching. To start my makeup, I'm going to use my primer. So this is the foundation primer by Laura Mercier. And then the next product that I'm going to use is this Super Stay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation by Maybelline. And using this beauty sponge, and I'm going to blend everything out all over my face. And then the next product that I'm going to use is this Instant Age Rewind Eraser, and this is a multi-use concealer by Maybelline. And now I'm going to contour my face, and for the contour I'm using this Instado Contour Stick Dark Fonse. So this is from Rimmel. So I just want to contour the hollow of my cheek, my forehead, and also my jawline, and also my nose. And I just blend it out. To set my makeup into place, I'm going to use this Catrice Nude Illusion Loose Powder. And then for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Catrice Eyeshadow Edition. And I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm using this Catrice Camouflage Cream. And now I am going to use my Liquid Metal Long Lasting Cream Eyeshadow, and I'm going to put it to the area where I apply my concealer. For my eyeliner, I'm going to use this Hyper Sharp Power Black eyeliner. So this is from Maybelline. And now I am going to proceed to my eyebrows, and I'm using this brow powder from Rimmel. And for my eyeliner, I'm going to use this Oriental Wood black liner. Before applying my mascara, I'm going to curl first my lashes. And for the mascara, I'm using this Hyper Curl Waterproof from Maybelline. And then for my blush, I'm going to use this Maxi Blush Powder Blush from Rimmel. And now I am going to use my bronzer, and I'm using this Sunkissed Bronze 010 by Catrice. And for my highlighter, I'm using this Wet n Wild Mega Glue Highlighting Powder. So I just want to apply the area that I want to highlight. My cheekbone, the tip of my nose, just a little bit in my forehead, and my chin. For my lips, I am using this Sensational Liquid Matte Soft Wine from Maybelline. And to set my makeup into place, I'm going to use this Insta Fix and Go 2-in-1 Primer Setting Spray from Rimmel.